definitely committed to it now. It's a little scary. I just need to get started. Just get started. Just get started. Just get started. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, under this little blue tarp, there's a 1968 Playmore Model 140 that we've been rebuilding, renovating, restoring, whatever you want to call it, for the last several months. So make sure and like and subscribe and check out some of those older videos. We have an exciting delivery that's going to take place here in just a couple of hours. Looking forward to showing you that here in a little bit. For now, I'm going to take the tarp off of the camper and get the snow off the roof. We had a little bit of snow the other day, and now it's going to be 60 degrees again, so I'm going to uncover it now, get started on something. Haven't entirely decided what it's going to be yet, but I hope you're excited to find out. I know I am. Okay, so oh, lens flare there, fancy. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do today, sorry, someone's tap dancing. So it's either going to be countertop, filling nail holes, or doing more trim. I think I'm going to do trim. And I think I'm going to start back here on this little end area that I built. Got to do a couple of pieces on either side that cover up the trailer lights. And then I'm going to start putting trim on and cover up those gaps and seams and stuff. And get this back part ready to prime and paint, I think. That's the joy of making it up as you go. As Catherine always says, we'll build that bridge as we cross it. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna need to take a break. Dog and shake. Okay, so I didn't mention it, but that is a new roof for the Little Lampy Camper photo booth, and that is all new skin for Randy, our other camper, our 1956 Calcraft that we did a video about a while back. So yeah, he's getting worked on at some point. We're definitely committed to it now. It's a little scary, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to this little trim project and hopefully still get some progress made on it today. So it's a new day. We're gonna do a little more trim, but I realized one of the things we need to do is put the screens back in place so that I can run the trim right up to where those screens are. I still haven't cleaned them, and they need a little work, and I will get to that in due time. But we're going to put them in place for just a minute, and then we'll measure our trim and get it in place.
You a lot. 7 days of eternity, 7 days in another country. Every cell screams stay right here, and my legs they freeze us in fear. We got time after this, but I'll need you as my brightest light. Even in the darkest night, you shine so bright.
Okay, so this area above me is kind of the last area to tackle, but this curved ceiling's got me. And I'm afraid I'm gonna make it, and then I'm gonna be off by just a little bit, and the whole thing's gonna sit at an angle. But yeah, I just need to get started. Just get started. Just get started. Just get started. Okay, yeah, so the only way I figured out how to do this, I mean, this is kind of why you want to build your cabinets before you put everything together and install them. The only thing I can think to do is attach these studs to the wall and then build out from there. So I've marked some 90-degree lines on the wall where things need to go, so I can just start by screwing these two pieces. Stay until it disappears. Okay, well, I need to make some doors, and I need to go buy some hinges. Put those on, put the trim on, and finish the trim on the ceiling. there's our upper cabinet. And the trim. Oh, man, it's basically a camper. Like, I feel like if we had our cushions, we could go on the road, man. That's pretty cool. It's a weight off of my shoulders. So the next step is going to be to set and fill all these nail holes. I'm going to use caulking for that rather than nail or wood filler, because these aren't going to be stained. You're never going to see the wood. It's just going to be painted over. Caulking actually does work best for that. So only time I'd use caulking on your camper. But new videos come out every Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, have a great week.